Let's continue with our questions on profit and loss. Question number 11. After selling 72 articles, a man loses selling price of 9 articles. Find loss percent. In this question, real value is not given, so we can assume any value of articles. So let's say, let selling price of one article is equal to rupees 1. So SP of 72 article will be how much? Rupees 72. And it's given loss is how much? Selling price of 9 articles. So our loss will be 9 articles, so rupees 9. Now we know that CP is equal to SP plus loss. SP is 72 and our CP is 9. So our CP is how much? 81. And we need to find the loss percent. So loss percent we know. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. So our loss is how much? Loss is rupees 9. And our CP is 81 into 100. 9 1s are 9 9s are. Now here we have got 1 by 9. And we know that 1 by 9, the percentage value of 1 by 9 is how much? 11, 1 by 9%. So this is our answer. Those who are new to this concept of percentage, please watch the video on percentage. I have uploaded the basic concept wherein we have learnt the base units. For example, the base unit is 1 by 9 and the percentage value is 1 by 9%. Or let's say we have 1 by 3 as base unit and the percentage value is 33, 1 by 3%. So we have learned the use of these base units and their multiples to find the result without any calculation. Here in this question we have 100 divided by 9, but we know that 1 by 9 is 11, 1 by 9%, so we don't need to calculate this. But if we calculate this, we will get the same result. 100 divided by 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 1. So 11, 1 by 9%, the same result. But if we remember this base value, then we don't need to calculate and it will save a few seconds of our time. Question number 12. After selling 72 articles, a man earns a profit of selling price of 9 articles. Find profit percent. This question is similar to question number 11. So in this question, let SP of one article is equal to rupees 1. So our SP of 72 articles will be rupees 72. Now it says the man earns a profit of selling price of 9 articles. So our profit is how much? 9 articles, 9 rupees. So we need to find the profit percent. Now if we need to find CP, our formula is SP minus profit. So our SP is 72, profit is 9, 72 minus 9 will give us 63. So profit percent will be, profit is 9, profit upon CP, CP is 63 into 100. So 9 1s are 9 7s are. Now again we have got this fraction 1 by 7. This is the base unit. So 1 by 7 is equal to 14, 2 by 7%. We can directly write our answer. So this is our answer. Question number 13. After selling 72 articles, a man earns a profit of cost price of 9 articles. Find profit percent. Now in this question, the profit is on CP, on cost price. If we look at the previous questions, question number 11, the loss is on selling price of 9 articles, and question number 12, profit is on selling price of 9 articles. So we had assumed the SP of one article, but in our current question number 13, the profit is on cost price. So what we will do, we will assume the let CP of one article is equal to rupees 1. So CP of 72 articles will be how much? Rupees 72. Now profit is how much? Profit is CP of 9 articles. One article is rupees 1, so 9 articles will be rupees 9. And we need to find the profit percent. We know profit percent is equal to profit upon CP. Profit is how much? 9. And our CP is 72. So if we 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72, and we know the base value is 1 by 8. So our 1 by 8 in percentage is how much? 12, 1 by 2%. So this is our answer. Now in exam hall, you don't need to write all these steps. If you know the concept and if you practice enough, then you can solve this question in few seconds. You can calculate all these things in your mind. Now in this question, we know that the profit is on cost price. So we will assume the value of one article, CP of one article is rupees 1. So total is how much? 72 articles. So 72 will be our CP, and our profit is how much? 9 articles. So profit is 9. So 9 by 72, you can calculate in mind. 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72, and 1 by 8 is directly 12, 1 by 2%. Question number 14. After selling 72 articles, a man loses cost price of 9 articles. Find loss percent. Similar question. Let CP will be CP of one article is rupees 1. So CP of 72 articles, rupees 72. So our loss is how much? CP of 9 articles. 9 articles means rupees 9. So our loss percentage, loss is 9, CP is 72. So 1 by 8 once again, and 1 by 8 we know the value of 1 by 8 is how much? 12, 1 by 2%. Question number 15. After selling 10 candles, a man earns a profit of the selling price of 3 pence. While selling 10 pence, a man loses selling price of 4 candles. The numerical value of profit percent and loss percent is equal, and the CP of candle is half of the CP of pen. Find the ratio of SP of candle to pen. So in this question, we have candle and we have pen. It says CP of candle is half of the CP of pen. So if our CP of one candle is X, then CP of one pen will be 2X. Candle is half of the CP of pen. Let's say our SP of one candle is A and SP of one pen is B. Now CP of 10 candle will be how much? CP of one candle is X. So CP of 10 candles will be 10X. CP of 10 pens will be how much? 10 into 2X. CP of 1 pen is 2x, so CP of 10 pens will be 10 into 2x, which is 20x. Now it says when we sell 10 candles, a man earns a profit of the selling price of 3 pence. So profit is how much? Selling price of 3 pence. So 1 pen is, selling price of 1 pen is B. So selling price of 3 pence will be 3B. And when we sell 10 pence, the man loses how much? Selling price of 4 candles. So there is a loss when we sell pens. So loss is selling price of 4 candles. 1 candle is A, so 4 candles will be 4A. Now if we need to find the profit and loss percent of candles and pens, candles we have profit, so the profit percent will be profit upon CP. Profit is how much? 3B. Our CP is how much? CP of 10 candles is 10x. So 10x into 100. Now the question also says the numerical value of profit percent and loss percent is equal. This is equal to loss percent. So loss percentage will be how much? Loss upon CP. Loss is how much? 4A. And our CP is 20x. Now this unit and this unit is same, is equal, so we can solve this. So we get 3B is equal to 2A. So A by B will be how much? 3 by 2. Now A we know, A is our selling price of 1 candle and B is our selling price of 1 pen. So SP of, we need to find out the ratio of SP of candle to pen. So candle is 3 and SP of 1 pen is 2. So our ratio is how much? 3:2. So this is our answer. Question number 16. The profit earned when an article is sold for rupees 800 is 20 times the loss incurred when it is sold for rupees 275. Find at what price he sold his goods if he wants to earn 20% profit. So in this question we have two SP. One is 800, which gives him a profit, and one is 275, which gives him a loss. Our CP is same, and the profit earned is how much? It is 20 times the loss incurred. So if we say, if the loss incurred is, say, let's say X, the profit will be 20 times of loss, 20x. Now here we will get an equation. CP is equal to SP minus profit, and CP is equal to SP plus loss. So here we have SP is 800 minus profit 20x is equal to 275 is the SP and loss is how much? Plus x. So if we solve this equation, we will get 21x is equal to 525. So our x will be how much? 525 divided by 21 will give us 25. So x is 25. Now to find the CP, we can use this equation or this equation because both are same. So we will use this. So our CP will be 275 plus x will be how much? 25. So 275 plus 25 is 300. So CP is 300, and in this question we need to find the selling price with a profit of 20%. So our profit is how much? 20%. 20% of CP is our 300. So our profit will be 60 rupees. So our SP will be how much? CP plus profit. 300 plus 60 is equal to rupees 360. So this is our answer. This question can also be solved with a second method. I prefer the second one as I believe that it saves some time. Let me explain it to you. You can use any of the method. So in the second method, we will follow the same concept. First, we have two SP. One is 800 and the second SP is 275. Our CP will remain same. And the question says that the profit earned is 20 times the loss incurred. So suppose if our loss is 1 unit, then our profit will be how much? 20 units. This is loss and this is our profit. Now in such type of questions, what we will do, we will take the difference of both the SP. We will take the difference. And our difference will be how much? First SP is 800 minus 275. This will give us 525. Now this 525, this difference of both SP is to be divided in the ratio of 20:1. This is our profit and this is our loss. So if we divide this 525 divided by 20 plus 1 is 21. So 1 unit will represent how much? 25 units. So 1 into 25 is 25. So loss will be how much? 25, and 20 into 25 will give us 500. So 500 will be our profit and 25 will be our loss. Now in order to find the CP, we know that CP is equal to 275 SP plus loss, which is how much? This is 25. So we get 300 as our CP. Now we can use the same method from now on. We can use the same method. We will take the profit percent. 20% of 300 is 60, and we will plus it with, add it with CP, and we'll get our SP. So this method you can directly find the CP. We don't need to go with this equation and all. We can directly find the value of CP in such type of questions. Simply take the difference of both SP and divide it in the ratio of profit and loss. Question number 17. Profit after selling an article for rupees 717 is 11.1/9% more than the loss incurred when it is sold at rupees 527. What would be the SP if he wants to earn a profit of 10%? So similar question like the previous one. So in this question we have SP 717, which gives a profit, and our second SP is 527, which gives us a loss. Now it says the profit after selling an article is 11.1/9% more than the loss. We know the fraction value of 11.1/9% is 1/9. So profit after selling an article is 11.1/9% more than the loss. So this is loss, and 9 plus 1 will be our profit. So that means if loss is 9 units, then our profit will be how much? Our profit will be 10 units. This is profit and this is loss. Now we will take the difference of SP. Our difference is how much? 17 minus 527, and this will give us 190. So this is the difference of SP, selling price. Alright, now we need to divide this difference in the ratio of 10:9. So what we will do, we will divide 190 by 10 plus 9, which is 19, to get the value of 1 unit. So 1 unit will be 19 ones are 10. So 1 unit represents how much? 10. So 10 units will represent how much? 10 into 10 is 100. 9 into 10 is 90. So our loss is 90 and our profit is 100. Now if we need to find the CP, we can say CP is equal to SP minus profit. SP is 717, profit is 100. This will give us 617 as our CP. And in the question we need to find the SP if he wants to earn a profit of 10%. Now we need to add profit here, 10% profit. So 10% profit will be how much? 61.7. This is our profit. So our new SP will be how much? Our new SP will be CP, which is 617, plus new profit is 61.7, and if we add this we will get 678.7. So this is our answer. Question number 18. A man purchases some number of articles at rupees 5400 and he sells 2/3 of them at 5% profit. At what percent profit did he sell the remaining to gain 13% profit overall? Now this question can be solved with different methods. I will show you two methods. One is detailed and one is shortcut. So first I will show you the detailed method. So in this question it says a man purchases some articles at rupees 5400. So our CP is how much? 5400. And he sells 2/3 of them at 5% profit. So our 2/3 of 5400 will give us 3600. So now we have 2 CP. This part is sold at 5% profit. And 5% will be how much? 5 upon 100 into 3600. 0 will cancel out. So 5 into 36. 180. Now our second CP, this second part will be how much? Our remaining part is 5400 minus 3600. This is 1800. Our second part, second CP, we need to find this profit percentage. And in total, the CP is how much? 5400. And both the parts, when both the parts are sold, we get an overall, we get a profit of 13% overall. So 13% profit. So 13% profit means 13 upon 100 into 5400. 0 will cancel out. So 5400. 54 into 13. So our profit will be 13 4s are 52, 2, 5, 13 5s are 65, 70. So now this is overall profit and this is the profit of the first part, the 2/3 part. So our remaining profit will be how much? 702 minus 180. 702 minus 180 will give us 522. Now we have got the profit of the second part. So our profit percent will be how much? Profit upon CP into 100. This is our profit and this is our CP. Into 036 29. So our answer is 29%. Let's try to solve this question with second method. Now whenever we are comparing something, we don't need the real values, we will ignore them. So here we see this is 5400. Now this is real value, but in question we are comparing things and we need to find out at what percent profit did he sell the remaining to gain 13% profit overall. So please remember, I have explained this concept in percentage chapter. While comparing we don't need real numbers. We can ignore them. So in this question, it's given that a man purchases some number of articles at rupees 5400 and he sells 2/3 of them at 5% profit. So 2/3 is sold at 5% profit. So that means out of 3 part, 2 part is sold at 5% profit. So we have articles, 2 part is sold at 5% profit. So if we multiply this, we get 2 into 5, 10%. Now remaining part is how much? 1. 3 minus 2, 1 is remaining. We need to find out this part is sold at what profit percent. So we need to find out this value. And the overall profit percentage is 13%. So 2 plus 1, total articles is 2 plus 1, 3, and they are sold at 13% profit. And this will give us 3 into 13, 39%. Now if we need to find this value, what we will do? We will subtract 10 from 39. 39 minus 10 will give us 29%. So this is 29%. 10 plus 29 will give us overall 39% profit. Now you can see here the value is 1. So 1 into dash will give us 29%. 1 into 29 will give us 29%. So our answer is how much? Our answer is 29%. So in this way we can directly find the answer. Question number 19. A man purchases some number of articles at rupees 1,89,000 and he sells 3/5 of them at 8% profit. At what percent profit did he sell the remaining to gain 12% profit overall? So here we are comparing, so we will not use this real value. So it says 3/5 of them is sold at 8% profit. So 3 part out of 5 is sold at 8% profit. So 3 into 8 will give us 24%. So the remaining part is 5 minus 3, which is 2. We need to find out this second part is sold at what profit percent. 3 plus 2 is the total number of articles, 5, and the overall profit percent is 12%. So our total percent is how much? 5 into 12 will give us 60. Now this part, 60 minus 24 is 36. So this part will be how much? 36%. And we need to find out this part. So 2 into dash will give us 36%. So 2 into 18% will give us 36. So our answer will be how much? The second part should be sold at 18% profit. So this is our answer. This is articles. And this is profit. Question number 20. A man purchases some number of articles at rupees 1,89,000 and he sells 38 of them at 12% profit. At what loss percent did he sell the remaining to gain 4% profit overall? So in this question we have 38. Now 3 part is sold at 12% profit. This is articles. And this is profit. So 3 articles is sold at 12% profit. So 3 into 12 is 36%. And the remaining article is how much? 8 minus 3, which is 5. We need to find out this. And the overall profit percent is 4%. This is sold at a loss. The 5th part is sold at a loss, the second part. So 3 plus 5 is total is 8 and overall profit is 4%. So 8 4s are 32%. It says the second part is sold at a loss. So here we see the overall profit is 32% and this first part is greater, 36. So if we subtract 32 from 36, we will get 4. So this one should be minus 4%. Now 5 into dash will give us minus 4%. It will be minus 4 by 5. Or if we say, if we divide this by 5, 5 8s are 40. So we can say the loss percent is how much? 0.8%.